So hi guys, today I'm gonna show you a simple science experiment. I'm gonna show you how to make a lemon volcano.